Let's further explore the concepts of object-oriented programming in Python. Previously, we learned to create classes. Now let's create some objects for classes. This is class fruit. You recognize this. This is orange, an object of class fruit. So orange is a fruit. The class fruit provides a blueprint or a structure for orange. Also, it is orange in color and round in shape. Call this method and it will display itself. This is class person. It does not have init, but Python uses a default version. Maddie is a person. Maddie says hi. We can even assign one object to another. This is Maddie, but we also call it Liv now. And if we delete Maddie, Liv still exists. And we can also create class or object attributes on the fly, and even delete entire objects. Try this one, Queen of Hearts. Write a class dealing with a deck of cards of only hearts. Implement functionality to shuffle, deal a card, and show the cards in the current sequence. This is class deck. Init initializes the cards and also shuffles them. Deal picks a random card from this list, removes it from the list, and tells us what card we were dealt. Shuffle shuffles the list of cards. This changes their sequence. And show tells us the current sequence of the cards and what cards we do have left currently. Let's create an object of this class. These are the cards right now. Deal a card, we got a queen. And these are the available cards right now. Let's shuffle them. And now this is the sequence they're in.